This is Kathie in Bundaberg, Queensland, and you see before you a 40 by 50 centimetre or 16 by 20 inch canvas, and I've put some black paint on it. I have black, white, yellow ochre and vermilion, and I'm going to do an open cup pour here and just see how it all goes. The vermilion and yellow ochre look really nice together, which is why I thought I would do this. Just let it all start to come out. Starting to. And then I might give it a little tilt around. And we'll put some more in. Looking good. The recipes for the paint and pouring medium you'll find under the video, under show more. Okay. Vermilion. Some white. Oh, this is really pretty. I have to take it over that corner. About there's the middle. How about that one? That is really pretty. Just covering up a few fingerprints here. Leave nothing for CSI. There we go. That is a purdy. I'm just going to wipe my messy hands off and give it a little torch. See if we have any more magic. Getting pretty good cell action there at the moment. Some some nice cells there, but we'll see what else we can have. Maybe a bit more there. This is really beautiful. I'm just standing here looking at it, giving it a minute or two to let the cells have a chance to come out so you can see them. Maybe I'll put a bit more heat on this piece here. Out. Not a lot, no, but that's all right. That is really nice, and these are so pretty. All right, I'm going to bring you down to take a look, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. This one is so pretty, so please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate that. It's a big help when people will give it the paintings a thumbs up. It's really beautiful. Looks like agate, doesn't it? So, yes. I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and look at those. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.